Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to deny execute permission to programs on USB drives using GPO in Windows Server 2025. Open Active Directory Users and Computers. Client computer under Users Computers OU. Open Group Policy Management. Create new group policy under User Computers OU. Click and expand policies, click and expand administrator templates. Click and expand system, click removable storage access. Open removable disks, deny execure access, change value data to enabled. Update group policy. Update group policy under client system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.